Okay, in this class, let us consider one example on how to expand the three cross three determinant. Okay, so in the last class, generally we have considered A11, A12, A13. Okay, and so we have to always keep it in mind whenever expanding the 3 cross 3 determinants, plus minus plus, minus plus minus, plus minus plus. Okay, if we expand along first row, we know plus minus plus, then minus plus minus if we want to expand along second row, then if we want to expand along third row, write the signs plus minus plus. Okay, I have considered one example, so I hope all of you will understand this clearly through this example. Okay, evaluate 1 2 4 minus 1 3 0 4 1 0. This is the given determinant. Okay, let us call that as delta generally, or A. You can give some other name here. See, A is equal to, I will give A 1 2 4. So we write the elements as it is. Okay, so I will expand along first row. Generally we expand along first row, so we can expand along any column or any row. There are 6 ways to expand the determinant. So I write plus minus plus because I will expand along first row. See, what is the method here? See, first I have to write this product along with sign plus 1. So it is understood, it is plus. See, 1 into, see what is the determinant left here. So see here 1 means, so you have to, see we have to leave this column and this row. So you delete this row and this column, write the remaining elements here 3 0 1 0. Okay, then you proceed for next element minus 2. So don't forget the sign here minus 2. See, minus 2 into, then I have to write the another 2 cross 2 determinant. See, 2, concentrate on this element, 2 lies in this column and in this row. Okay, we have to delete this column and this row. So write these elements minus 1 0 4 0. That one is over. So last element is plus 4. See, into the determinant. See, 4 lies here. Here means it is the last element in the first row, A13. So you leave this column and this row, take up this right here, minus 1 3 4 1. Okay, this is the way we have followed in general expansion. So next you write this plus 1 as it is. See, plus 1 into, see, you know how to expand the 2 cross 2 determinant. 3 into 0 0 minus 1 into 0 0. That one is over. So minus 2 into, so you take up this determinant. See, minus 1 into 0, that will be 0. Minus 4 into 0, that will be 0 also. Plus 4 into, so you consider the product of these two elements, minus 1 into 1, that is minus 1. See, after writing the product, we know we have to write the negative sign. See, minus 4 into 3, that will be what? 12. See, 1 into 0 minus 0 is 0. Minus 2 into 0 minus 0, it will be what? 0. Plus 4 into, see, minus 1 minus 12, that will be minus 13. So this one is 1 into 0, it will be 0. Minus 2 into 0 0. See, plus into minus, minus 13 into 4, this will be what? 52. So 0 minus 0 minus 52. So answer is, so the answer is what? Minus 52. So I can write this here, minus 52. So if you find the value of this determinant, I will get the value as minus 52. So what is the value of the determinant? Value of the determinant is minus 52. So in this way, we can evaluate the 3 cross 3 determinant. Okay, let me consider another example here. Okay, let us delete this one. See, I will consider one more example. So we have worked out one example here. Okay, evaluate. So evaluate, let me write another example. 3, see here, minus 1, minus 2, then 0, 0, minus 1, 3, minus 5, 0. Okay, so this is the, I'm going for second example. Let us expand this 3 cross 3 determinant. Okay, so if I call that as A, see, I will consider this. So okay, I will write it again here. 3 minus 1 minus 2 0 0 minus 1, then 3 minus 5 0. Okay, so okay, let us expand this along first row again. Plus minus, see, plus, should be careful here in this example. See plus 3. Okay, right, what the plus is understood here, 3 into, so we can write it directly also. Okay, I will show it clearly here, plus 3 into, so what is the determinant I should write here? So you concentrate on that element. See here, minus into minus, that will be plus, see 1, you write the determinant afterwards. Then plus into, see here lot of students will make mistake here, minus into minus, what is, this is plus 1, okay, you take the product of the signs, plus into minus, we have to write, see, minus 2, see, some of you will write plus 2, so answer will be wrong. So you take the consideration these two products, plus into minus, minus 2 into, get the determinant. Okay, 3 lies here, see first element, see you delete this column and this row. So what are the elements I should write? 0, minus 1, minus 5, 0. Is it clear? Next, minus into minus, plus 1, so I have written this, so you delete this column and this row, you write these extreme elements, 0, minus 1, 3, 0. Okay. Plus 1 into, I can write this here, plus 1 into, see here, plus 1 into 0, minus 1, then 3 into 0. Next, as I told here, plus into minus, I can write minus 2 into the last determinant. See here, minus 2. So you leave this column and this row. So I can write these 4 elements here. Okay, I should write this 0, 0, 3 minus 5. 0, 0, 3 minus 5. So observe this 3. So I can leave this column and this row, 0, minus 1, minus 5, 0, I have written this. Then plus 1 into, leave this column and this row, 0, minus 1, 3, 0. Then plus into minus, write the product, minus 2. So then after writing minus 2, you leave this column and this row. What are the elements left over? 0, 0, 3, minus 5. So you should be perfect in signs here. So that is 3 into, see. Now we can find the value of this determinant. 0 into 0, see here 0. See, after writing the product, write the negative sign. Then you multiply these two. See, minus 1 into minus 5. See, minus 1 into minus 5. What is the product here? Minus 2 minus plus 5 ones are 5. So that will be 5. Then this one is over. So plus 1 into, see, 0 into 0, 0. See, minus of 0 into 0, 0, minus of, see, minus 1 into 3, that is negative, product is minus 3, see, minus 1 into 3, minus 3, see, minus 2, I write as it is, 0 into minus 5, that will be 0, minus 3 into 0, that will be what? 0. So, once again, check out this, see, 3 into, see, minus 5, 0 minus 5 is minus 5, okay, then plus 1 into, see, 0, minus 2 minus plus 0 plus 3, that will be 3 only. Then minus 2 into, so 0 minus 0, it will be what? 0. So then you multiply this and this, this and this, and this and this. So I can write this. Okay, I will write here. Oh, I will write the step here. See, 3 into minus 5. So that will be what? Minus 15. Then plus 3 into 1, that will be what? 3. Then minus 2 into 0, product is 0. Okay, so 3 into minus 5 is minus 15, plus 3 ones are 3, minus 0. So minus 15 plus 3, that will be minus 12. So value of the determinant is, which I have taken here, value of the determinant is minus 12. Okay, so these are the exercise problems. So let us consider some more problems in the next class.